Papaya during pregnancy. Is it safe, helpful, or something you should avoid? The answer begins with one important detail: how ripe is the papaya? A soft, orange papaya is very different from a firm, green one. And that difference matters because papaya changes as it ripens. For many people with an uncomplicated pregnancy, a washed serving of fully ripe papaya may fit into a balanced diet, but papaya is not a cure. It cannot guarantee a healthy pregnancy, prevent complications, or replace medical care. It is simply one food that may provide useful nutrients. Ripe papaya contains vitamin C, folate, fiber, potassium, and carotenoids. These nutrients support normal body functions when they are part of a varied and balanced diet. But before we look at the possible benefits, let's clear up one common misunderstanding. Not every papaya is the same. The ripe orange fruit and the green unripe fruit have different textures, different levels of certain compounds, and different safety considerations during pregnancy. Let's start with the nutrients found in fully ripe papaya. First, vitamin C. Vitamin C helps the body maintain connective tissue and supports normal immune function. It can also help the body absorb iron from plant-based foods when both are eaten as part of the same meal. Iron is especially important during pregnancy because the body needs to produce more blood to support both the mother and the developing baby. However, eating papaya does not replace an iron supplement or prenatal vitamin prescribed by a healthcare professional. Next is folate. Folate is involved in normal cell division and development. Papaya contains some folate, but the amount is not enough to replace the folic acid or prenatal supplement recommended during pregnancy. That is why fruit should complement prenatal care, not take its place. Ripe papaya also contains water and fiber. For some people, fiber may help support regular digestion. This can be useful because constipation and digestive discomfort are common during pregnancy. But everyone responds differently. A food that feels comfortable for one person may cause bloating or discomfort for another. So it is always wise to pay attention to how your own body reacts. Now let's return to the main question. Why do some people warn pregnant women about papaya? Much of the confusion comes from treating ripe, unripe, and semi-ripe papaya as though they were exactly the same. Green or unripe papaya contains more latex and papain than fully ripe fruit. Some laboratory and animal research has raised concerns about uterine activity from concentrated papaya latex preparations. This does not mean that every bite of ripe papaya causes harm. It does mean that the evidence is not strong enough to ignore the difference between the stages of ripeness. For that reason, many pregnancy health resources recommend avoiding green or semi-ripe papaya as a precaution. It is also wise to avoid papaya latex, papaya leaf preparations, papaya seed products, and concentrated papaya enzyme supplements unless your healthcare professional specifically approves them. So how can you recognize a fully ripe papaya? Look at the skin. A ripe papaya is usually mostly yellow or orange on the outside. It should give slightly when pressed. When cut open, the flesh should be soft and orange or reddish-orange. Hard green exterior and firm pale flesh are signs that the fruit is not fully ripe. Preparation matters too. Wash the outside of the papaya before cutting it. Use a clean knife and cutting board. After slicing, refrigerate the pieces and eat them while they are fresh. Avoid fruit that smells fermented, has visible mold, or has been left unrefrigerated for too long. There is no single papaya portion that is correct for every pregnant person. A modest serving as part of a varied diet is a more responsible approach than believing that a large amount will provide extra benefits.